It's no doubt the S21 Ultra is currently one of, if not Samsung's most complete and well-rounded flagship device to date. There is so many capabilities and things you can do on the S21 Ultra, so here are some quick tips and tricks to get the most out of the S21 Ultra. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on SamMobile. The camera hardware on the S21 Ultra is both powerful and versatile, especially when it comes to zoom capabilities for taking pictures from a distance. This is all down to having two optical zoom lenses at 3x and 10x, which further allows for a maximum zoom of 100 times digital zoom. The trick is not just in the hardware, but also the camera software, which helps to take more consistent and stable pictures when zoomed in. Once you reach 20x digital zoom and above, a preview window on the top right of the camera UI will appear, showing you a grid position of where your picture frame is. If you look closer, you will see a hand stabilized icon. Press the center of the preview window to enable zoom lock, which stabilizes the picture frame for clearer shots when extremely zoomed in. The S Pen has always been a hardware feature kept only for Note series displays, but this time round the S21 Ultra is the first and currently at the time of this recording, the only S series device to have S Pen support. Although the S Pen for the S21 Ultra is an added accessory you need to purchase, and there's no compartment built into the device itself to store the S Pen away like you find on the Note series, and some limited functions, this is still a great feature to see on the S21 Ultra. With your S Pen, hover over or touch the display on the home screen of the S21 Ultra. Then press the center button on the S Pen to bring up the Air Command menu with all the S Pen shortcuts for features such as Create Notes, Smart Select, Translate, and many more. You will notice that initially when you press and hold the power button on the S21 Ultra, that it launches Bixby. To then turn off and power off your phone, you'll have to press and hold the volume down key and the power button to show the power off menu to restart or power off your phone completely. However, you can change the default settings for the power button for both press and hold and double press. First of all, press and hold the volume down and power button. Then click on side key settings. Here you will see the option to enable or disable double press, or change it to open a specific app of your choice. The press and hold option can also be changed from Bixby to the power off menu for a quicker way to reset or power off your phone completely. Samsung's DeX feature has been progressing from strength to strength since its first introduction a few years ago, and shows how well of a desktop replacement it can be, and also how versatile and simple it is to get going when it comes to using DeX. From no longer needing a dedicated dock to enable it, with DeX working with a compatible USB-C to HDMI adapter, TVs that support Smart View, or wirelessly casting it to your PC. Scroll down on the drop-down menu, find and select DeX, and here you'll find all the ways you can start using it. If you're looking for a simple and a quick way to turn off and also turn on your display, then a quick trip to the motions and gesture settings menu will give you the option to do so. In the settings menu for the S21 Ultra, scroll down to advanced features. Then under motions and gestures, you will see the option to enable both double tap to turn on and off your screen. With this, you can then double tap on an empty space on a home screen or lock screen to quickly turn on and off the display when needed. What are some of your favorite quick tips and tricks for the S21 Ultra? Let us know in the comment section below, and we will see you next time.